Hello, my name is Dr. James Hawkins. I'm a clinical director and therapist at the Joshua Center here in Northwest Arkansas. And what's most important is I'm a resident of Northwest Arkansas who cares about our community being able to come together and to do well and to thrive. And so as a part of that, with everything that's going on in society, we're already maxed out in counseling, doing all we can to help our community deal with the stress of COVID-19. But as a Joshua Center, we say, well, we see that there's something else going on out there in society that we want to be able to help people with. We've already been doing what we call healing conversations, and that's being able to reach out to the community to dealing with helping us. How do we come together and have better conversations around race? Well, there's another initiative that we are involved in with some local leaders and Easton Counseling to be able to do what we're calling right now is mending racial pain. And what this initiative is, it's about helping the minority community that is dealing with racial stress and trauma have a safe place to come and to process some of that. And so we're doing this, once again, mainly via telehealth because of COVID-19. But what we're offering in this is some local leaders have provided some grants and different things to come together to help subsidize counseling efforts, to help people who wanted to do individual counseling to process racial stress and pain, but also group counseling to help process. And so I'm excited to tell you about a group process that we have coming up September the 14th through October the 19th. So there will be 6 meetings on Monday nights from 6:30 p.m. to 8 p.m. And of course, that'll be done via Zoom. But the purpose of this group is a racial stress process group for the minority population. And the reason of this is we want to create a safe space where you can process some of the pain, the emotions and questions that you have, to be able to help you find comfort, to be able to help find some relief. And yes, no, this isn't going to change everything that's going on out in their society. But what we do know is people are hurting and struggling, and they need to be able to process. And so that's what this group is going to be about. So how can you participate? And once again, let me say this. This is the important part. To participate in this group part, there is no cost. 6 sessions of group counseling. I'll be the lead facilitator, and I'll have some other therapists there with me to help be co-facilitators. But it's of no cost for you for 6 sessions of a group process. Just something for you can just in the comfort of your own home via Zoom with some homework assignments, different video clips we'll show just to help you process the stress that might be going on in your own body, in your own life right now. So how do you sign up for this group? You will go to mendingracialpain.com. And on there, you'll fill out some demographic information, and there'll be a pre-assessment and a post-assessment. That's so we can really track how well are we doing at this and making sure we're really meeting the needs of the community. You'll also on that site be able to learn about the different services that are being offered at the Joshua Center, one being the group counseling process and also individual counseling, which for that part of this initiative is there are 6 sessions that you can get individual counseling, and all you'll have to pay is a $10 copay per session, and the rest will be taken care of via the community coming together to provide for these services. You'll also be able to learn about what Easton Counseling is doing as well. But if you want to sign up for this group at the Joshua Center or individual counseling, you'll fill out the demographic information, and then they'll patch you through to us, and we'll make sure that we get you in and get you taken care of. And so we just really want to say even thank you for listening to this. If you're a local leader, we ask that you share this via your social media websites, email, or whatever. You just reach us, and we'll let you know how we can get that information to your people.